Okay, today Ben and I we're going to build a bowl with a wood turning machine. So we're just starting to learn how to do that. Let's do. So we're just going to use some pine wood because it's just a trial. First we need to cut the wood into a square and then into a circle. Okay. Let's do a square first. Gonna be a bit loud. We need to find the middle, the center. You want to do that, Ben?
I don't mind. You can do it.
You do the center. We need the center for the wood turning when we screw it in. Okay, this is our center. And now, because we're going to put it in the wood turning machine, we want to cut it first with a jigsaw, a bit more round. If not, we.
That's a very nice circle.
Okay. So we need to cut this a bit. Maybe come from the other side. I just cut it roughly. It doesn't have to be exact because we're gonna flatten it with the machine. Okay, now we need to put the center bit in, that we can put it in the turning machine. Make sure it's in the center really. Looks good. Put it in the machine. Okay, should be enough. Okay. Just fits. Can't make this plate bigger. Maybe it doesn't touch. Okay. Now we can go and flatten it out a bit.
Okay.
Which one do you want to choose for that? We're going to use these three for now. Okay. There we go. Very careful. Very little bit. Very little bit. Only side. Very good.
I don't drive from the train. Evolutionary process.
Look, it's not too much in the center though, okay? Very slow because it's very low speed now. But you can't go too high speed because the whole thing shakes too much.
the little dot in the middle of the middle.
So later on, we wanna, this is the bottom of the bowl, so we wanna put it in on the outside. So we measure this first. You can see the ring needs to be at least 5 centimeters. So we wanna go maybe 6 centimeters.
So we 3 in the middle out.
So we want to go at least here. Can you switch on?
Yeah. Do you want me to slow it? That's good. Satisfying.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process, but mankind won't be. In fact, you and I are working. We haven't.
That's much better.
Good. Okay.
Okay, now we're sanding it a bit. Maybe not. Go inside here a bit, I think. That's much better.
and